Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I have decorated a table for two with a touch of fall. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. So Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today we do have a guest. It is Barbie Daly, Rule Life in the Valley, and she requested her theme today to be a touch of fall. So if you haven't been over to Barbie Daly's channel, you have to head on over there, guys. She's got beautiful content, beautiful nature. I love her DIYs and her tablescapes. It is amazing. You won't be disappointed. So click the like button, leave her a beautiful comment, subscribe to her channel, let her know I sent you, and let's continue on with this video. So now this centerpiece right here was a DIY. Then we have the tapered candle holders and the candles, and those came from the Dollar Tree. Here we also have some items that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, the floral box and those eucalyptus little stems. Then if we head on over to the other side, we have the DIY vase, and we also have a little bowl of the faux leather pumpkins. This is the place setting. So let me tell you all about it. Now this is definitely a budget-friendly tablescape, guys. We have the napkin over here that was a gifted item. Then I purchased the napkin rings from Kirkland's. So I am loving those. I use them as often as I can. Beautiful. Both of these are beautiful. Then we have a thrifted dinnerware set right here. I love that pale color yellow, and I love the design on the dinnerware. It's so beautiful. So here's the salad plate. And again, these were a great find at the Goodwill. Here is the dinner plate. Okay, now the charger I purchased at Hobby Lobby. Now I have to say I'm really not positive where I purchased these placemats. I believe it was in an Asian store, and so these were a great find. Then we also have that flatware. I purchased the flatware at Home Goods, and this wine glass at the Dollar Tree. So I am going ahead and just relayer everything back. So I am in love with this tablescape. It's rustic, has a touch of fall, some DIYs, definitely budget friendly. There's so many things that I can possibly say. And Barbie, I hope you like what I put together for you. So the DIY vase right here looks gorgeous, especially with that onion grass. And then I have a bowl of those faux leather pumpkins. Those did come from the Dollar Tree. And so everything here looks amazing, and I hope you agree. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.